Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about MS Word. And in today's video, I will show you how to translate from one language to another language using MS Word inbuilt translator without any stress. Let me show you how. Like for instance, this document you can see on my PC screen right here is written in Hindi. You can decide to change some of the Hindi language to another language as the case may be. Like for instance, if I want to translate the heading of this particular text right here, just highlight. And the next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to the top right here, click on view, then go ahead and click on translate, then go ahead and click on translate selection. So the selection we select right here is going to be automatically translated. Then you have the translation dialog box right here. Now here you can translate from Hindi, which is the primary language of that document, to any type of language of your choice. So like for instance, I'm going to click on here. I'm going to translate this to English right here. So you can see that's been completely translated to English. Once I'm done, I'll click on insert and the word is going to be replaced with English language, just like what you see right here without any stress. So we can use this method to translate any part of the document to different kind of language of our choice. Like for instance, if I want to translate this sentence right here, I light on the sentence that you want to translate. Automatically, you have the result right here. So we can decide to change from English, click on here, so I can decide to change this to another language of my choice right here. Instantly, go ahead and hit on insert, and it's going to be inserted into the Word document. You can go on and use this method to translate your document in different language of your choice. You can as well translate the whole page as the case may be. Like for instance, I can decide to translate all this sentence right here. In a few seconds, we have the result right here. I can decide to switch from this language to English language right here. Then we have it right here. I can decide to make sure I insert it and it will automatically replace everything, just like what you see right here. So this is one of the great inbuilt translations that you can use right now in MS Word. It's that simple. Once you are done with whatever you want to translate, then you can go ahead and save your document. You can come back to translate right there. You can translate the whole document as the case may be, or for free without any stress. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your MS Word, consider subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.